This is a steep slope site where the landowner really couldn't make it work. It was trying to force a grid into a steep slope before we got a hold of it. And what we did was we took their home models and we downloaded the topo for the site and broke it down into our Land Mentor software. And then what we did was we started working the grades and balancing the earthwork and trying to maximize the number of walkout and view units at the same time and still work within the grading constraints of the roads and the engineering. It's not quite civil engineering. We like to pre-engineer, meaning that we like to create the design in such a way that when the civil engineer does get it, they're not faced with a nightmarish approach situation trying to make the engineering work. And because we have supplied and developed engineering software for thousands of engineering firms over the last 43 years, we kind of know what we're doing as far as grading and engineering because we set the foundation of what a lot of companies are based on for their technology. So, what we're trying to do in these situations is create a plan that works for every aspect of the development and keep the costs reasonable. That house on top of the hill is an existing home that we had to furnish with a driveway to it. So you could see how even on the most difficult sites, we can make these things work a lot better than forcing a grid onto an organic terrain. So that's just a good example of how we could benefit developers.